Hey guys, in this short tutorial, I'm going to show you how to submit a reassignment for a physical therapist who already has a Medicare PTAN in your MAC area or territory. So remember, this is for a therapist who already has a PTAN. They're just coming to work for you, so you need to submit a simple reassignment. We're going to log into PECOS. Now, this is my personal PECOS account, but I have access to my business through this account. I'm going to submit the verification code. Now, once we get into our PECOS account, we're going to go to My Associates. We're going to go to our business, and I'm just going to jump down to the bottom. You're going to click on View Enrollments. We're going to click on View Manage Reassignments. We're going to go to the bottom right corner, Manage Reassignments. Continue working on an application. Now, if I had already started the application prior to this recording, but if you didn't, you would click to start an application to add a new reassignment. And then once we get here, we're going to click reassignment. We're going to click add information. We're going to put in the effective date. I'm just going to put in today's date. We're going to put in the first name of the individual, last name. We need the social security number and the date of birth of the individual if we're going to be doing it this way. Okay, so on the last screen, I had the digits wrong for the social security number. I corrected it, and then I went down to the bottom, click next page, and we came here. Now, technically, at this moment, Kathleen does not have a Medicare identification number. Or if she did, and maybe I don't know. So I'm just going to leave that blank and click next page. Now, this is where the primary practice location. I'm going to start to type in my clinic address, and you can see it automatically pops up the address. If I was typing in my other clinic address, again, you can see it populates. But like, what if I just said 123, nothing shows up? So that's showing you you need to have the same address, whether it's your home address, a physical clinic address. You need to have that address for your primary practice location. I'll click next topic. I just need confirmation. I'm the person doing the credentialing, review and complete. I click next topic. And then this one just asks if there's, PAR status, but you click yes by default, but as long as the clinic is a participating provider, there's nothing else for you to do. I click next, so I've got all three of these check marked. I click begin the submission. Electronic signature, sign now. And then for Kathleen, her email address. Okay, so I'm going to drop her email address in there twice. Go to the next page. I need to verify these, so I scroll to the bottom. I click the box that says yes. Scroll to the bottom, click the box that says yes. Next page. I choose my fee for service contractor. This is going to be your Medicare MAC, and then you click apply. And you scroll down to the bottom and complete submission. You'll get this notice. Your enrollment application has been uploaded. Document has been submitted for your 2-year fee for service contractor. I click OK. And that's it. There's nothing else for us to do right now. If I click view enrollments, that'll take me back to the main page.